rough out here. Hello there. Top of the morning to you. I just launched at Shelter Island Boat Launch. It is, I don't know, almost 7:30 a.m. High tide, I'm told, is around 8:30. I'm going to be meeting up with another San Diego fishing YouTuber named Stellar Baits. So we're gonna get out here and get on some fish together. I'm excited, never met the guy. We're gonna go ahead, probably, I'm assuming, we haven't really discussed it, but I'm assuming we're gonna head that way. Hit up some of these spots. Good morning, thank you for joining me. Subscribe, I put Stellar Baits link in my description. Give him a follow, some awesome videos. You can learn a lot. So with that, let me take you fishing with me. I've got this new Shimano Tranx and I'm on this new rod as well. It's a St. Croix 7-foot medium power fast action carbon. So stoked about that. It's 45 feet deep here. Caught our first spotty of the day. Woo! That was quick. All right, buddy. Actually, a nice little, I don't know, 13-incher maybe. All right. Alright. Oh, an update, we got Stellar Baits out here with us. We don't really have a game plan, we're just going to fish. Tool around the bay. Had a lizard fish, he just got off though. Yeah. What are you throwing, like a sabiki, or what do you use to catch it? And I'm on. It's probably a small spotty, I don't know. Nope, smaller than the first guy. Little feisty feller, aren't you? Come on, bruh. Dude, I know you don't like me to get in. I just need to get you held so I can get this off. All right. Body number 2 of the day. All right, I have the Promar Ahi Tuna, something, I forgot what it's called, Ahi slow pitch jig. So let's drop one for the of it right here. Something on a slow pitch jig. Little halibut. All right. I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna... Got a nice little halibut. Little sand bass. Means I gotta go for a calico and get the trifecta. Nice sand bass. I haven't caught very big sand bass in my life, so this is probably my personal best. We'll take that victory. Let's measure him for the... Bro, yeah. It's probably a little over 13. Work my way over here. It wasn't very hard getting out here because the current was pulling us. So we just kind of leisurely and quickly made our way over. So here we are, we're at the opening of the San Diego Bay. And we're going to see what kind of fish we can catch. Lizard fish. Wind is like crazy strong, the current's crazy strong. I'm pedaling as hard as I should be for like 5+ miles an hour. I'm going like 1 when I'm lucky. I'm going half a mile an hour right now. So Stellar Baits is killing it out there. Hopefully he's out into the opening, past the opening of the bay. I decided to say and start tooling my way back, and right when I figured that out, it was starting to pull me hard, so I'm just being cautious and I'm ripping towards you know, where I launched. I'll do some more fishing. I'm just trying to get some ground covered here because it's pulling me hard. Man, it's rough out here. It's a lot of work to get back against the current and the wind. Holy, that was a nightmare getting back. I've been pedaling for, I don't know, I'm pretty sure 2 hours just to get back. And you can't really stop pedaling because then you go backwards. I guess my wife said they're saying on the news that there's like this, I don't know, coastal flood advisory and really strong current. So I'm glad I made the decision I did to turn around when I did. I was all the way basically at the tip of Cabrillo, long ways back as it is, fighting against the current that are strong is enough, and then there was a strong headwind too. So man, I am tired. So I'm basically done fishing. I mean, I feel like I didn't fish much. I just, you know, had a good solid first few hours, and then it slowed down, and then next thing I knew it, I had to head back. So I did get word from Stellar that he hooked a big leopard shark and was pulling him out further from the opening of the channel. So he cut his line and said it was tough, you know, getting back towards me. So I told him to keep me posted. I'm gonna keep my eye out for a message from him, make sure he's safe. But I'm about to take out right now. I'm exhausted. I'm done fishing. So kind of silly. We let the tide take us out so easily. I feel like we're going 3-4 miles an hour out there, like when I caught that halibut and sand bass. And we kept going for a while after that. And when we got to the mouth of the bay, he was already out there, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna turn around. I know my limits. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a break from pedaling for a few seconds because I've been doing it for 2 hours. Cast a line in for the first time in like 2 hours, and take out at the boat launch right up there. So cheers, guys. Welcome back with me. Oh, that was rough. I am the Lizard King. I can do anything. Run back, boys. Oh. Thanks for watching, folks.